He said, "What was that?" Seen Water for Elephants? You obviously don't like elephants as much as me. You ever seen the movie Larger Than Life? Bill Murray. It's about circus elephant. Her name's Bear. She speaks different. Hey, little fella.
So I guess that's a baby elephant?
I guess.
Yeah, he's 12 years old.
Who is it?
Condola is 12 years old.
It's easy. I was just reading these junk eyes.